Language and literature. Chinese. It is the official language of China and Taiwan, as well as one of the 4 official languages of Singapore. It is one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. Spanish. Spanish is the official language of 20 countries and Puerto Rico, including Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Cuba, the Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, and Paraguay. English. There are more than 50 English-speaking countries where English is either the official or the primary language. It is the 3rd most common primary language in the world after Mandarin Chinese and Spanish. Hindi. Hindi is spoken in countries like Mauritius, Fiji, Suriname, Guyana, Trinidad and Tobago, and Nepal. Like European languages, it is written from left to right. Portuguese. Portuguese is an official language in about 10 countries, including Brazil, Mozambique, Angola, Portugal, Guinea-Bissau, East Timor, Equatorial Guinea, Macau, Cape Verde, and Sao Tome and Principe. Japanese. Japanese is an East Asian language spoken by about 128 million people, mainly in Japan. It belongs to the Japonic language family with its relation to other languages like Korean, still debated. Punjabi. It is the native language of about 130 million people and is the 10th most spoken language in the world. Most of the people who speak this language live in the Punjab region of Pakistan and India. It is also widely spoken in Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Delhi. Famous books and their authors. Indian Parliamentary Diplomacy, Mera Kumar, Farishta, Kapil Ispuyari, My Country My Life, L.K. Advani, Narendra Modi, A Political Biography, Andy Marino, My Unforgettable Memories, Mamta Banerjee. Walking with Giants, G. Ramachandran, Khushwantanama, Khushwant Singh, One Life is Not Enough, Natwar Singh, My Music My Life, P.T. Ravi Shankar, I Am Malala, Malala Yousafzai. The God of Small Things, Arundhati Roy, Interpreter of Melodies, Jhumpa Lahiri, Playing It My Way, Sachin Tendulkar, Unbreakable, Mary Kom, Runs in Ruins, Sunil Gavaskar, India at Risk, Jaswant Singh, Matilda Rolled the Hill, Born Again on the Mountain, Arunima Sinha, Making India Awesome, Chetan Bhagat, Arthashastra Kautilya. Famous Literary Awards, Gyanpith Award. The Gyanpith Award is the highest literary award bestowed upon Indian authors by the Indian government. Sahitya Akademi. This award is given annually to Indian writers who have written in any of the 24 languages recognized by the Sahitya Akademi. Saraswati Samman. The Saraswati Samman was instituted by the K.K. Birla Foundation in 1991. It only awards writers in the 22 Indian languages recognized by the Constitution and does not include English. Hindu Literary Prize. Started in 2010 by the Hindu Literary Review, a property of the newspaper The Hindu, this prize is awarded for the best literary fiction written in English by an Indian citizen. Man Booker Prize. The Man Booker Prize for Action is awarded to writers for full-length novels from the Commonwealth of Nations, Ireland or Zimbabwe. Nobel Prize in Literature. The Nobel Prize in Literature is only awarded to the best authors from all around the world. Pulitzer Prize. This US award is given to those in newspaper or online journalism, literature or music. There are 21 categories including the Pulitzer Prize for editorial writing, the Pulitzer Prize for music and the Pulitzer Prize for fiction.